The THERMOS iced coffee maker ECI-661CRML allows you to enjoy the rich aroma of freshly brewed iced coffee at home. This coffee maker uses a microcomputer to control the steaming time, ensuring a perfect extraction for iced coffee. With an automatic shut-off feature, the machine turns off after brewing, which is both secure and energy efficient. The water tank includes an easy-to-read water meter, simplifying the process of adding the correct amount of water. The machine's drip-through mechanism allows you to brew directly onto ice, resulting in a clear and refreshing iced coffee. Featuring a dual-structure server, this coffee maker keeps your brew cold and fresh for longer periods.